After watching this video, you will know how to create your own custom style in Word. If you cannot find a suitable style in the selection pane and if you really don't want to modify an existing style, then creating a new style is a good option. The creation of a custom style is almost the same as modifying an existing one. The best way to create a style is to first create a little text snippet and apply all desired formatting changes on this snippet. Then highlight the snippet, click on the drop-down arrow of the Style selection pane and there click on Create a Style. Then we can enter a name for the style and the formatting settings should already be copied from the highlighted text snippet. If we still want to change anything, we can click on Modify and apply any additional changes. Now you know how to create your custom style in Word. Watch the other videos to learn more about styles.